Meaning of Gurkha.
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 Gurkha. Gurkha refers to a person of Nepali origin or someone from the Gurkha region of Nepal. The term is commonly associated with the famous Gurkha soldiers who serve in the British Army and are known for their bravery and loyalty. The Gurkhas have a long history of military service and are highly respected for their courage and fighting skills. The word Gurkha is derived from the name of the Gurkha Kingdom, which was a small state in central Nepal that was founded in the 18th century by King Prithvi Narayan Shah.